वो सब अच्छे से जानते हैं रिया क्यों दुखी है। They all know very well why Ria is upset. They all know very well why Ria is upset. आज तुम इतने लेट क्यों हो? Why are you so late today? Why are you so late today? यह पंखा काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा? Why is this fan not working? Why is this fan not working? तुम कब पढ़ाई करते हो? When do you study? When do you study? यह कब शुरू होता है? When does it start? When does it start? तुमने ये साड़ी कब खरीदी? When did you buy this साड़ी? When did you buy this साड़ी? तुम्हारा बर्थडे कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? तुम वापस कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? रवि बाहर था जब मैंने कॉल किया. Ravi was out when I called. Ravi was out when I called. तुम्हारी परीक्षा कब से है? When is your exam? When is your exam? हम कब पहुंचेंगे? When will we arrive? When will we arrive? तुमने फोन कब चेंज किया? When did you change your phone? When did you change your phone? जब कभी तुम्हारे पास समय हो मुझे मैसेज करना. Whenever you have time, message me. Whenever you have time, message me. जब मैं जवान था तो अच्छे से तैर सकता था. When I was a young, I could swim well. When I was a young, I could swim well. जब मैं घर आया शिखा रो रही थी. When I came home, Shikha was crying. When I came home, Shikha was crying. जब वो 20 साल की थी उसकी शादी हो गई. When she was 20, she got married. When she was 20, she got married. मैं तुम्हें कॉल करूंगा जब हम जाएंगे. I'll call you when we go. I'll call you when we go. काजल उससे कब मिलेगी? When will Kajal meet him? When will Kajal meet him? तुम कब सोए? When did you sleep? When did you sleep? पायल कहाँ थी जब उसके पेरेंट्स आए? Where was Payal when her parents turned up? Where was Payal when her parents turned up? मुझे नहीं पता केक किसने बनाया. I don't know who made the cake. I don't know who made the cake. सवाल ये है कौन इस प्रोजेक्ट को करेगा? The question is who will do this project. The question is who will do this project. आज रात कौन गाने वाला है? Who is going to sing tonight? Who is going to sing tonight? इंडिया का पहला प्रधानमंत्री कौन था? Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Who was the first Prime Minister of India? इस तस्वीर को कौन बना सकता है? Who can make this picture? Who can make this picture? आपकी राय क्या है? कौन मैच जीतेगा? What is your opinion? Who will win the match? What is your opinion? Who will win the match? IT department में राहुल कौन है? Who is Rahul in IT department? Who is Rahul in IT department? अगला सुपरस्टार कौन होगा? Who will be the next superstar? Who will be the next superstar? किसको आइसक्रीम चाहिए? Who wants ice cream? Who wants ice cream? कौन खाना पकाएगा? Who will cook the food? Who will cook the food? ये राम है जो मेरे साथ था. This is Ram who was there with me. This is Ram who was there with me. वो मेरा दोस्त है जिसने तुम्हें कॉल किया था. That is my friend who had called you. That is my friend who had called you. जो कोई मुझे जानता है मुझसे प्यार करता है. Whoever knows me loves me. Whoever knows me loves me. जो कोई भी यहाँ है राहुल उसके साथ बात करना चाहता है. Rahul wants to speak with whoever is here. Rahul wants to speak with whoever is here. तुमने क्यों पूछा? Why did you ask? Why did you ask? तुम क्यों रो रहे हो? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? तुम अंदर क्यों नहीं आते? Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? उसने जॉब क्यों छोड़ी? Why did he quit the job? Why did he quit the job? तुमने ये टेनिस टेबल क्यों खरीदी? Why did you buy this tennis table? Why did you buy this tennis table? तुमने बॉक्स ओपन क्यों किया? Why did you open the box? Why did you open the box? मैं अयांश के साथ हूँ जो मेरा बेटा है. I am with Ayansh, who is my son. I am with Ayansh, who is my son. आपको कौन सी बुक चाहिए? Which book do you want? Which book do you want? कौन सी जगहें आपको सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है? Which places do you like the most? Which places do you like the most? तुम्हें दवाई चाहिए, पर कौन सी? You need a medicine, but which one? You need a medicine, but which one? मैं एक किताब ढूंढ रहा हूं, जो कि लाल कलर की है. I am looking for a book, which is in red color. I am looking for a book, which is in red color. और विंडोज फोन्स में तुम्हें ज्यादा पसंद कौन सा है? Which one do you prefer, Android phones or Windows phones? Which one do you prefer, Android phones or Windows phones? शादी के लिए आप कौन सा चूज करोगी? Which one would you choose for wedding? Which one would you choose for wedding? किस कॉलेज से हो आप? Which college are you from? Which college are you from? ये डिब्बा खाली है, जिसमें बहुत सारे फूल थे. This box is empty, which had many flowers. This box is empty, which had many flowers. आप कौन हो? Who are you? Who are you? कौन जानता है? Who knows? Who knows? कौन कौन जानते हैं? Who all know? Who all know? किसने कहा? Who said? Who said? इस तस्वीर को किसने पेंट किया? Who painted this picture? Who painted this picture? वो लड़की कौन है? Who is that girl? Who is that girl? वो लड़का कौन है? Who is that boy? Who is that boy? इस सेल्फी में ये कौन है? Who is this in this selfie? Who is this in this selfie? गिटार कौन बजा रहा है? Who is playing the guitar? Who is playing the guitar? आपका पसंदीदा हीरो कौन है? Who is your favorite actor? Who is your favorite actor? आपके पसंदीदा एक्टर्स कौन कौन हैं? Who all are your favorite actors? Who all are your favorite actors? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? अगला टॉपिक क्या था? What was the next topic? What was the next topic? वो आज क्या परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं? What are they performing today? What are they performing today? आपका पसंदीदा खेल क्या है? What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport? आपकी विशेषता क्या है? What's your quality? What's your quality? मुझे दे दो जो कुछ भी तुम्हारे पास है. Give me whatever you have. Give me whatever you have. जो कुछ मैंने चाहा, मुझे वो मिला. Whatever I wanted, I got that. Whatever I wanted, I got that. जो कुछ भी तुमने कहा, गलत है. Whatever you said is wrong. Whatever you said is wrong. जो कुछ भी आप चूज करते हो, मेरा है. Whatever you choose is mine. Whatever you choose is mine. आप कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? हम पिज्जा ऑर्डर क्यों न करें? Why shall we not order pizza? Why shall we not order pizza? तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? आज तुम इतने थके हुए क्यों हो? Why are you so tired today? Why are you so tired today? तुम एक्टर क्यों बनना चाहते हो? Why do you want to become an actor? Why do you want to become an actor? आज सुबह तुम लेट क्यों थे? Why were you late this morning? Why were you late this morning? क्या मैं पूछ सकती हूँ क्यों? May I ask you why? May I ask you why? तुम वहां से क्यों भागे? Why did you run from there? Why did you run from there? तुम निराश क्यों हो? Why are you disappointed? Why are you disappointed? उसने इसके बारे में उसे क्यों नहीं कहा? Why didn't she tell him about it? Why didn't she tell him about it? वे उस बिल्डिंग के आसपास क्यों घूम रहे हैं? Why are they walking around that building? Why are they walking around that building? 1. आपके पापा का क्या नाम है? What is your father's name? What is your father's name? क्या टाइम हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? वहाँ क्या क्या हुआ? What all happened there? What all happened there? उसके साथ क्या क्या हुआ? What all happened with him? What all happened with him? उसके पास क्या है? What does he have? What does he have? उसके पास क्या क्या है? What all does he have? What all does he have? आपके पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? आपके पास क्या नहीं है? What do you not have? What do you not have? आपने क्या खरीदा? What did you buy? What did you buy? क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? मुझे नहीं पता क्या है ये. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. आप क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? आखिरी रविवार को क्या किया आपने? What did you do last Sunday? What did you do last Sunday? आखिरी रविवार को क्या क्या किया आपने? What all did you do last Sunday? What all did you do last Sunday? आपका मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? उस लड़के में तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? What do you like in that boy? What do you like in that boy? मुझमें तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? What do you like in me? What do you like in me? क्या इंसान है आप? What a person you are. What a person you are. क्या लड़की है वो? What a girl she is. What a girl she is.
Gonna rush now, never gonna rush now. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute.